guys, it's Teacher Mommy, and I have a very special guest here today. This is the Hebridean Baker from the Isle of Lewis. So today we have a special treat. We're going to sing a children's song for you. And we always say hello to someone, so today we're going to say hello to
Patrick
and all of Nova Scotia.
Okay, shall we give it a go? Brochan Lom. This is all about how to make your porridge.
Yes, and my dad is an expert at making porridge.
Is he?
Excellent.
Good to know. Well, I came second in the World Porridge Making Championships.
Wow. Well, I'm coming to your house.
Brochan Lom, tana Lom, Brochan Lom, sùghain, Brochan Lom, tana Lom, Brochan Lom, sùghain, Brochan Lom, tana Lom, Brochan Lom, sùghain, Brochan Lom, tana Lom, Brochan Lom, sùghain. Time over the Danish cheering rasta.